Hi, my name is Yana and I work here at the front desk at Always Beautiful Smile. One day while I was eating lunch, I came back to the desk, I was answering phone calls, emails, and I noticed that the lower left side was just a little, causing me a little bit of pain. And then I kind of didn't think anything of it. I went on with my duties for the day. And then towards the end of the day, after all the patients had left, the assistants usually come out and we chat about the day and about the patients for tomorrow, if anything needs to be done were taken care of, and they noticed, I guess, that I was sort of rubbing the lower left side of my face, and immediately all three of them were like, "What's going on? Are you in pain? What's happening?" And I was like, "Yeah, actually, this side hurts me a little bit." And all three of them were like, "Get in the chair, we're doing x-rays, we're getting the doctor out here." And I was very hesitant at first. I was like, "No, it's okay, I'm totally fine." But they insisted and they were like, "If this is something serious, it's better to take care of it now than have it be a problem later on." They got me in the chair, did all the x-rays. Definitely a very fun experience to have all three of them kind of doing my x-rays. And I was at first very scared because I have a lot of dental anxiety, so I definitely did not want to do the root canal, the post, the crown. I was not looking forward to it. And then they actually were able to squeeze me into the schedule the next week with our endodontist, which was like legendary because she's always fully booked. So they squeezed me in, I was very thankful. And then on appointment day, about 7 p.m., kind of after again, most of the patients had left, I got in the chair and they started doing the work. I was very, very anxious. So all the assistants were standing by me, holding my hand during the shot. I felt like a little kid, but it was very helpful to have them there. And it actually ended up being just a really deep filling, which I was very thankful for, so no root canal needed. And then the next couple days, the doctor checked in on me, all the assistants checked in on me. So it was definitely very fun to be on the patient side of things. All my questions were answered. So it's really great, and it's nice to see that patients can choose our clinic because we do have really great flexible hours. We're open from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., which is so nice, especially for patients that work, so they can come in later in the day. We also do a lot of our work in-house. We don't really refer out too often, so it's really nice. Patients can come in and get their implants, their crowns, their root canals, even some Invisalign aligner treatment, and they can do it all from our clinic. And best of all, we are really affordable. We have a bunch of different financing options for patients, so they can go with whatever flexible options they feel comfortable with, which is really nice, especially for the diversity of patients that we have here at the office.